Have you ever wondered why some people wake up feeling completely refreshed while others drag themselves out of bed, no matter how many hours they sleep? The secret doesn't lie in supplements, fancy mattresses, or expensive gadgets. It's all about how your brain and body actually enter deep sleep. Today, we're uncovering practical, science-backed ways to hack your deep sleep naturally. Deep sleep is the stage where your body repairs itself, strengthens your immune system, and consolidates memories. But many of us unknowingly sabotage this stage every night. One of the biggest mistakes? Overloading your mind before bed. Scrolling endlessly through social media or binge-watching shows keeps your brain in a state of alertness, making deep sleep nearly impossible. Instead, consider a simple wind-down routine. Reading a physical book, journaling your thoughts, or gentle stretching signals to your nervous system that it's time to relax. Another powerful factor is your sleep environment. Darkness, cool temperatures, and minimal noise trigger your body's natural sleep rhythms. Interestingly, exposure to bright lights, even a small phone screen, suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. Tiny adjustments, like dimming lights an hour before bed or wearing an eye mask, can dramatically improve your sleep depth. Your daily habits also shape your nights. Regular exercise, timed appropriately, strengthens your sleep drive, while avoiding heavy meals or caffeine late in the day prevents disruptions. Mindful breathing or short meditation sessions before sleep calm racing thoughts and reduce anxiety, allowing your mind to drift into restorative slumber more easily. Curiously, your mind's state during the day affects how deeply you sleep at night. Stress, overthinking, or constant multitasking can create shallow sleep cycles, leaving you groggy in the morning. Implementing micro breaks during the day, practicing gratitude, or even brief nature walks can improve overall sleep quality by evening. If you find these strategies useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more ways to improve your health, habits, and mind. Deep sleep is not a mystery, it's a skill you can train. By being intentional with your evenings, environment, and mindset, you can wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day. Remember, the most powerful sleep hacks aren't pills. They're simple, consistent practices that respect your body's natural rhythms.